Welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn on NFC on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. First, open the settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Once you are in the settings, scroll down a little or use the search bar. Here, you can simply search for NFC. After that, search it. Once you found the search result, simply tap on it. Then tap again to open the menu. Right now this option is turned off by default my Samsung phone. To turn it on, simply hit the toggle button and automatically turn on NFC on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can also go to the default wallet app section and choose your preferred wallet such as Google Wallet if you like. And that's it. How you can easily turn on NFC on your Samsung Galaxy phone.